Hey y'all, it's your girl Janae, and I'm back with a green look in honor of tax season. I'm gonna go with a mix of dark greens and light greens just because I kinda wanna do the contrast. And I've been wanting to do a green look for a while. I just haven't really had a reason to do a green look, but it's tax season, so I had to do this in honor of the refund check being cashed. Okay. Anywho, y'all, as you can see, I'm putting the NYX glitter glue on my eyelids, and this is gonna really make it pop. And I didn't have eyeshadow that was the color of the matte bronzer, so I just decided to use this to sort of deepen out my crease and give it this nice, dark, smooth look. I'm just blending. And finally, move to my eyelashes. It takes me life to put on my eyelashes. These are Kiss lashes in Corset, by the way. Amazing. So cheap and so amazing. Now I'm using my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. This is the cream version. I'm gonna go in after this with the powder version. I literally have all of her contour palettes. They're amazing and they last for a really long time. And I beat my face quite often. So if I say that means they really last. And after I press this in with my brush, I'm going to go ahead and in with my beauty blender and just make sure that it's pressed onto the skin and it doesn't look oily and saturated. And now I'm going to contour my cheekbones out. Sis is carving out them cheekbones. I got to make sure I'm looking skinty and snatched, honey. So basically, guys, after this, I'm going to go in with my pressed powder Kat Von D palette, because it's going to take place of my translucent powder. I stopped using my translucent powder, at least for the winter, because I have eczema, my skin's super dry. So translucent powder is for people who have oily skin, and my skin only gets oily in the summer. So basically, the Kat Von D powder palette takes the place of my translucent powder and just soaks and basically prevents my eczema from coming, if that makes sense, because I'm not using such a harsh powder. Now I'm gonna go back in with that NYX matte bronzer in dark tan that I use for my shadow, and I'm just gonna bronze out my contour and give it a little more chiseled and snatched look. Just see me blending out here in my own zone. Now I'm going to go underneath that waterline and just buff out that green. I'm so obsessed with the green. It's so bright, it's so vibrant, and I just really feel like it goes really well with my skin tone. I feel like it would go well with any skin tone, but I guess because the sun was beaming on me, it looked even better. This is my Becca highlight. I love Becca Cosmetics. There's formulas are so creamy, they last so long, and it's just it literally is a skin perfector. That's the name, and literally that's what it does. I definitely recommend it. It's one of my favorite high-end highlighter. I'm spraying my Max Fix Plus spray just to give me that dewy, saturated look. I love looking super glowy and dewy. And then I'm going to apply my lip liner. It's my Suede Lipliner from NYX. And then I'm going to pop this intense butter gloss over it. It's in the shade Cookie Butter. I think it's Cookie Butter Gloss or something like that, whatever. I'll put it in the description box below so you guys can see it. And make sure you guys don't forget to subscribe, because I'm going to be pumping out more looks like this for the summer. Okay?